Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will be teaching you how to make your own origami hat. For this project, you will need any piece of printer paper. Want to build it? Let's get started.
Start off by folding down this way. Crease sharply. Fold. And then open it up and fold it this way. And then you want to keep it this way and fold this corner all the way down and crease it. Then take this side, fold it down and crease it here. Then you want to take this flap here and you want to push it right here and just move it along the line, around, and crease. And then flip it over and take this side, pinch it, pinch it, and then crease it. And then take this here, and you want to just crease it and flatten it. And then you want to open it up and fold on that line. Fold this anyway. Crease it because you're making these creases right here sharp. Put that under there. Put that under there. Take it, open it back up, pull this out, and you're done.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your notifications so you never miss one of our latest videos, and we'll see y'all next time.